Welcome to the Nexus of Innovation, the world of mobile app development touched by the brilliance of artificial intelligence. As we explore this digital renaissance, we find AI and Flutter joining forces, ushering in a new standard for user experiences. In this new era, apps transcend functionality to become insightful companions. They predict desires and tailor content, courtesy of AI's personalization. This partnership spells a seamless, stimulating experience across platforms. The fusion of AI's predictive capabilities with Flutter's cross-platform mastery leads to interfaces that resonate with startling acuity. Stay with us as we delve into this transformative collaboration. Envision an app that knows you intimately, a reflection of AI's personalization in action. AI algorithms shape experiences that resonate personally, heightened by Flutter's capability to reflect unique user tastes and behaviors. Smart applications captivate by learning and adapting. The result is a symbiosis of satisfaction and loyalty, transforming each app into an indispensable digital companion. Welcome to a world of predictive analytics, where your app anticipates your needs. AI not only analyzes data, but uncovers the stories within, guiding you to your next favorite discovery before you even search. Enjoy the foresight of predictive analytics as AI suggests connections that resonate precisely when you need them. In this proactive space, your app becomes a beacon of personal relevance. Today's mobile experience is enhanced by AI-powered virtual assistants, providing real-time engagement. These conversational aids bridge communication gaps and greatly enrich the user journey. Fluent in personalization, these assistants are ready for your every inquiry. By fostering engaging dialogues, they ensure that interactions are captivating and foster user loyalty. In the dance of innovation, natural language processing, NLP, leads the way. With Flutter, speaking to your device becomes effortless, as it understands every syllable. NLP elevates communication, allowing Flutter to shape experiences that are consistent and intuitive across all platforms, creating a symphony of engaging, user-centric mobile applications. AI, like a master conductor, orchestrates a symphony of customized experiences. Envision AI-driven recommendation engines humming within Flutter, tailoring suggestions to each individual's preferences. AI also streamlines development processes, automating routine tasks and enhancing the creative journey. This tangibly elevates the ecosystem of Flutter Apps, introducing an era of intuitive and adaptive applications. As our exploration concludes, we recognize the transformative power of AI and Flutter. This journey in app development is not just a trend, it's a leap towards unparalleled user engagement. Empowered by the ability to personalize and predict, Flutter Apps with AI stand as pioneers of user-centric design. Let's embrace this alliance and craft experiences that imprint lasting memories. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.